Alright y'all, so we're going to go ahead and put Cameron's bed together, his bedding. I made inside a clip, like I kind of played around with it the other day, but I just didn't like some of the stuff, some of the pillow covers that I put on the pillow. So we're going to kind of try to revamp it today and try to see if we can get a better look. We still have not done the nightstand, so you guys can see that still needs to be redone, to be done. I want to probably tackle that maybe tomorrow and another day. I don't know, one of this week I'm gonna have it done. I'm gonna be completely done with this room by this weekend. The TV still needs to come down. You can see I've already started putting the artwork up on the wall, and the rug is down, which is so freaking cute, you guys. Look at the rug. I'm obsessed, like literally I'm obsessed with the rug. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna kind of play around. Oh, let me get you guys set up. I'm gonna kind of play around with the bedding today. Obsessed with today. My husband actually picked the bed out from a local furniture store, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of play around with the bedding. I'm thinking about, I'm on the fence whether or not I should do like white curtains or cream curtains or gray. I have some in my bedroom that I'm thinking about taking out and changing mine out just to give it a different look. I like to purchase curtains that I can kind of use in multiple rooms in the home. So if I like them in his room, my son's room now, eventually I may take them and put them back in my room. I want to be able to have versatile curtains because I'm on a budget. Things are super expensive, and I just want to make sure that I'm making good, smart purchases, and I'm able to get multiple uses out of what I purchase, especially for home decor because it's really expensive. So I'm going to show you the curtains that I have in my bedroom now. I have actually two sets. 2-panel sets. I'm gonna show you what they look like, and then let me know if you guys think they will go on his curtain, on his window. So this is what they look like, y'all, and I'm gonna put them on this the little clip. I'm gonna keep them on if I do put them on, but you guys can get a really good look. Let's see, can you guys see? Well, it's kind of like a creamy color, y'all, like a khaki kind of color. I don't know if you guys can get maybe that's a little bit better. Can you guys see that? So this is what they look like. So I'm thinking about using these just because it'll tie into, let me show you, hold on. It'll tie into the bedding because the bedding is like a cream color. I took this throw, you guys know this infamous throw. It was on my bed, on our bed. I'm taking it and bringing it in his room now. And I actually purchased the exact same one for our new bedding. So I'm doing our bedding over as well in gray, which is so freaking cute. And again, if I wanted to change it out and put this one back in my room and put the gray one in here or vice versa, it's versatile, so I can use them in multiple rooms, which is it's a win-win for me. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one in here. So I think that'll tie into that color. And also the comforter itself is like a creamy kind of color. So yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. So let's just kind of play around and see what we come up with. And yeah, so let's see. So yeah, if you want to see how I kind of transform the space, how it started to come full circle, stay tuned. I'm still on the fence on whether or not I want to do barn doors. I purchased a set of barn doors originally to go into my bedroom, but now I'm thinking, do I want to put them in here? But I'm only concerned about it not being enough space, because here is his closet door. So if we were to put them in here, it would go on his closet door. But you know, see how small this wall is. If I was going to do the barn doors, it would need to be the ones that that the double, that you can slide past each other. So I don't know if that's the one if that's the kind of hardware that I have. I want to read the instructions, see what kind I have. If I just had the ones that you just kind of spread apart, I don't know which ones I actually purchased. I got them on sale for like $85, which was a steal. So anyway, and then I kind of also, I'm on the fence about doing barn door just because I want him to have like a reading nook area. You guys know I'm obsessed with having a reading nook area, and it kicks out for like, it kind of helps me force him to read. So I'm thinking about doing bookshelves here on this wall, just to give him like area to put his books and stuff like that, and then an area to kind of store his book bag. Slide it under there, do like 3 or 4 shelves on this wall, but then I don't want it to be too cluttered. I don't know. I'm still on the fence. So you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think below. In the meantime, let's go ahead and put this bed together, you guys. So you guys can kind of see how I layer a kid's bed. You guys already know that if you watch my cozy bed video, you guys know I'm all about the layering. I'm all about, I think it gives it a more high-end look. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to just take the comforter off, and we're just going to kind of restyle it together so you guys can kind of see how I put the bed together. So if you like this kind of content, just keep on watching. And yeah, let's go ahead and put well, he's not a preteen, he's 11, but you know, whatever. Let's go ahead and put his bed together. So let me just kind of let me get you guys situated. You guys, excuse me, I'm still new to this camera. I'm used to recording on my phone. My husband got me a camera. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So I'm gonna go show you guys how I kind of put the bed together. So let me just take everything off and we'll start fresh. Can kind of see, look at this print, y'all. See how cute that little cloudy kind of like scallop print is? It's so freaking cute. These came with the quilts. These are gonna be the duvet on the bottom of the bed. So it came with 2 shams and then the duvet, and I purchased the insert. So these is the kind of look we're going. You kind of see the vibe I'm going for, like this cream color and then this like a bluish gray. Yeah. $18 for these covers. I originally purchased these covers a while back, just for the inserts, but then I end up keeping the covers, and I end up now repurposing the covers in here in this room. Look how cute these are. You guys can recognize these. These were in my room. I'm gonna try to put them over in here and see how they look. And y'all, look at this. I'm loving this scallop. This is also from Amazon as well. I had everything linked in my stores probably later. If you guys can see, but yeah, I'm obsessed with this, you guys. How cute is that? And yep, same thing with this pillow. I ended up purchasing it for the cover, for the insert, and then I kept the cover. So these both were 18, and I ended up getting this cute little double-sided one from TJ Maxx. I think it was 16. And again, this is the same one that was on my bed as well. But so far, so good. I still need to put the picture frames up on the wall. And this still has to come down. Alright, you guys, I'm doing an early morning drop off to my mother-in-law's house. I need to run a couple of errands to finish up the projects that we have going on. So I'm going to be running by Lowe's. I'm going to stop by a home to look for the planters. I'm not purchasing, I just want to see what they have. And then I need to run by Joann's to get some fabric for my cousin Shares. I'm redoing for her. And think I'm gonna go to the car wash, and I'm gonna get home trying to kind of show you guys everything I picked up, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish out these projects. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, guys. And my hair is really growing, you guys. I feel like my hair is healthier when it is when it's relaxed versus when I try to go natural. I just have been kind of wrapping it at night and not really doing anything to it, and it's really looking super healthy. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I picked up me like a loaded tea, you guys. I'm gonna place called Jitters and the Reds. It's by my house, and I love them, y'all. I'm really addicted to them. I pick them up like 3 times a week. But anyway, so y'all might worry about the car wash when I'm on the way home, and then I'm going to be batch recording this week. So today I'm super excited about this. So I can have some consistent content for you guys. So I'm super excited about that, and also for you guys to see like the mood boards for both the kitchen and the patio, so you guys can be able to vote on which one you think I should do next. Because once I get finished with like my primary bedroom refresh, I'm gonna be pretty much done inside the house for now, because I'm not planning doing anything else right now, besides possibly the kitchen and then the patio, and then whichever I don't do now, I will do it later on once I finish this project. And then of course next year, I'll be kind of refreshing some other spaces, but whatever. Yeah, so you guys, so I'm heading to drop Wyatt off because I need a break. I need a bed to get these videos recorded and edited, and just to not have to worry about him running around and pulling out everything that's not tied down. So that's what I'm headed to do now. So I will catch you guys when I hit the first store, which will probably be like at home maybe. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, the nice thing came. I put it together. My battery went dead on my camera when I was putting it together, so you guys can't show you guys what like the setup of it was really basic, really simple. I still need to finish touching up this paint. I went in and painted the door case and started painting the door white. So you see that? I'm gonna finish that tonight. It just was a epic fail because baby Wyatt was up, y'all. He kept touching the paint, getting everywhere. So I'm gonna wait till everybody goes to sleep tonight to finish that up. So all the painting will be done tonight, and the rest I have to touch up paint. And then I can be anyway. This is the nightstand, you guys. Oh my god, it looks so freaking cute. So I'm gonna show you guys the decor that I have that I purchased for it. So we can kind of play around with it today, just to see kind of what I like, if I need to get any more pieces, switch anything out. And then I'm gonna put, of course, the final room reveals coming together in the next couple of days. Everything will be done. I'll show you guys like the full room. But you guys, so far it's looking so freaking good. And again, this barn door is gonna be finished Friday when my husband gets home. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the decor I picked up for the nightstand. One sec. So this is some of the decor I picked up. Not everything is gonna go here, but this is just kind of what I have. I picked up this picture I showed you guys earlier in the video in my little Target haul, $4. I have these books that I picked that I've had a long time. They actually came out of the attic in this house when we first bought it. So I thought these are really cute, like vintage looking. Have this lamp came from Home Goods for I think $19. I have this plant as an option to go here, and also the one I actually picked up, which was on clearance. I have this bad boy here, and then this one came from Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna kind of play around with it, see what we like, and then yeah, so let me show you guys.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how, I'll do it, babe. I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me.
All right, you guys, and it is the next day, so I'm going to go ahead and put the bracket for the barn door up. So you guys can kind of see, I'm showing you guys kind of the screws that I'm using. And again, guys, I'm not a professional, so I'm hoping that it doesn't come crashing down. But I think I got it in pretty good. I did check the studs behind to make sure that it was going to be secure. And I'm just putting the bracket up on the wall. All right, you guys can see me just getting the first bracket up, and then I'm just going in and just screwing the holes for the actual hardware to go on. I think I'm going to end the vlog here when I come back for part 3. It's going to be the final room reveal. I cannot wait for you guys to see the final look of the barn doors. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye. Rules up.